Hello friends, and welcome to Chat from the Engineering Desk. What I have here today is a pump for a liquid CPU cooler. So on the back you can see there's a copper plate which goes onto your CPU, and here's the pump itself. I have removed the cover so that you can see cover, and the cover fits over there like that, and blue LED shines through it. What we're interested in is what goes on inside. So I've got the scope connected. I've got it connected to the motor, which is a two-phase motor. So you have over here the common, the two windings, and your two windings over here like that. Right, and over here you can see the two phases. So when I turn up the voltage, that's running at 6 volts. If I turn it up to 12 volts, there you can see the frequency increases, the speed increases, and you can also see the voltage increase. Also the blue lights have become brighter. So let's have a look at how the pump actually works. Inside here is the impeller. Like so. And there you can see the blades over there. And this lives in here. Now the stator is inside here, so there's a separation between the liquid and the electronics over here, and this has got permanent magnets in it. So if I do that, there we go. Feels like it has 4 magnets, like so. And there's a little washer which keeps that separated and spinning like that. So when I turn up the voltage a bit, and there we go. It spins. So that's what the centrifugal pump looks like inside. In here, the water comes in like that. It comes in, it goes across the copper and comes in through here. The impeller spins that way, and the water is discharged that way and out over here. So once again, water in here through the copper passages inside there, tiny copper passages, and out again. This had a coolant mixture in it. It wasn't just water, for obvious reasons. You don't want it corroding. There's an O-ring over here, and that seals onto here. That's what keeps the water, well, the liquid inside the pump. And over there's the control IC, and your 3 connections, the supply, and then the reference signal for speed, which I don't have connected at the moment. So I've just got it connected to a variable power supply, and then it spins. So that was very interesting. Those that haven't seen inside one of these, now you know. It's a centrifugal pump with a brushless two-phase motor running it. And I think that concludes this talk on the little CPU liquid cooling pump. You've seen me use the radiator or heat exchanger that this came with. I installed it in a swamp cooler for increased air cooling. That's why I have this left over, and that's why we get to take it apart and play with it. Anyhow, ladies and gentlemen, this was an interesting talk. It was a fun little one to play with, see what's inside. It was easy to take apart. Thanks for joining me here. Please feel free to comment, ask questions, like and subscribe. I really do appreciate it. Participation in the channel helps a lot. For the rest, have a wonderful day further, and I'll see you here back for more next time. Cheers everyone. And now for some bonus footage. How much water does this pump flow? Oh, there's your answer. That's how much it flows. And there you get an idea what the pressure is like. Not bad. This pump could be repurposed. This pump could be repurposed. Get my words together. For other things. That works quite nicely. So there you have it. That's the pump in operation. Alright. We're out. See you next time. Cheers folks.